Hey everyone, Ari here. I'm a fitness coach based out of Sydney, Australia, building my business online. I decided to work one-on-one with Stephanie and join in a circle because I had built my funnel in BYE, which was absolutely awesome. But I started to get disorganized. I didn't have any accountability and I needed someone to push me that little bit further and get me organized and get me into a solid routine. And well, that's initially why I joined. And what I found is the not only the accountability and the support that I was getting in the inner circle group and the amazing people that were in there were just so incredible. My business has moved forward so rapidly, and I did my first ever online launch, which was fantastic. I got some sales out of that. I'm right now building my second online launch, and it's now giving me data that I can refine and get ready for my next launch and the next launch and the next launch after that, which is exactly what I'm here for. What made me pull the trigger to come into the inner circle was the fact that I had seen it previously. Steph put the offer out when I first joined BYE, and I wasn't quite ready to jump in there yet. But after seeing the value that I got out of BYE, Build Your Empire, and how much I learned and how it's impacted my business, I was really excited to see what was going to happen in the VIP training in Inner Circle, and to see how much I could move forward, and I wasn't disappointed at all. So going through the inner circle process, the 90 days of coaching, I have systems in place now. I have reached lead generation of $1 per client, which is ridiculous. But some of the ads that I put out, we're functioning so well. I couldn't believe what was happening. So my database is growing rapidly. I had 180 people when I started. I'm now edging 1,000. My Facebook group, I didn't have a Facebook group. I now have 200 people in my private Facebook group. My Facebook page has grown to 1,000 as well. So my business is growing and expanding rapidly. I have refined my sales pages. I've refined my email sequences. And I know now what to look for in the data and the feedback to kind of examine and see what I need to do to refine it even better. And each successive launch that I'm going to be doing, I'm going to know how to improve and what I need to look for to improve, get more sales and get more clients in and build up my databases even further. Working with Steph is just incredible. She's amazing. The one thing I do love about Steph is she's in the trenches with us. So she practices what she preaches. Okay, so there was one thing that I didn't quite understand way back with BYE. I read it and I just couldn't wrap my head around it. And that was, how I tie my social media together with my emails and my launches. Steph showed us how to do that, but not only did she show us, I was watching her stuff. I was watching what Steph was doing and I was saying, wow, she's telling us exactly what she does. And you can see the way that she's working. And also it's a lot of fun. We have so much fun on our calls. There's about 15 of us, dare I say, I haven't counted in the group, and it's just awesome. And just learning from what other people are doing as well. So it's not just what you're struggling with or what you're trying to learn. Being on the call and listening to other people's hurdles that they need to get over, it saves me a lot of time. I can see what they're doing and I learn from that, and I know not to make that same mistake or when I do encounter that problem, I can fix that. I don't even have to struggle with it because I've already seen someone else go through it and what they need to do to fix it. So this is the benefit of being in the inner circle. You're not learning just from your own hurdles. You're learning from everyone else's hurdles, which helps you rapidly grow, helps you move forward extremely fast, which is just brilliant, To anyone who's thinking of joining in a circle, who's thinking of taking the plunge, taking the leap, do it. Absolutely do it, because you're going to learn so much, so quickly. It is, it's very, very fast and very rapid, but the results come in so quickly. The wins are incredible. In the last 90 days, I think I've done more in the last 90 days than I have done in the last 3 years in my business. So absolutely worth it. And I can take this info now that I've learned, everything I've learned, and reapply and reapply and reapply. And when I'm ready to go, I definitely will be jumping into another 90-day private coaching with Steph, because it's just incredible. It's an awesome experience. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you listen to what I've had to say and take it on board. If you're serious about your business and you're serious about moving forward, jump in there. You will not regret it. Thanks for watching.